Crossover cable. Objectives. The purpose of this activity is to build a crossover cable to T568B or T568A standards for connection from a workstation to workstation or from a switch to a switch. Background. In this activity, you will learn how to build an unshielded twisted pair or UTP cable, Ethernet crossover network cable, and test it for good connections and correct pinouts. Materials needed. Materials needed. Unshielded twisted pair or UTP cable, RJ45 8-pin connectors, RJ45 crimping tool, wire cutters or jacket stripper, and the multitester. Procedures. Cut a piece of stranded unshielded twisted pair cable to determine the length. You will use stranded cable for patch cables because it is more durable when bent repeatedly. Solid wire is fine for cable runs that are punched down into jackets. Strip 2 inches of jacket one end of the cable. Hold the 4 pairs of twisted cables tightly where the jacket was cut away. And then reorganize the cable pairs into the order of the 568B wiring standard. Take care to maintain the twist because this provides noise cancellation. Orange pair, green pair, blue pair, and the brown pair. These are the organized colors: white, green, green, white, white, orange, blue, white, white, blue, orange, white, white, brown, and brown, white. Hold the jacket and cable on one hand and twist a short length of the green and blue pairs and order them to reflect the 568B wiring color scheme. Flatten and straighten and line up the wires, then trim them in a straight line to within 1/2 to 3/4 inches from the edge of the jacket. You should minimize the length of untwisted wire because excessive unnecessary length is the primary source of electrical noise. Place an RJ45 plug on the end of the cable. With the prong on the underside and the orange pair at the top of the connector. Gently push the plug onto the wires until you can see the copper ends of the wires through the ends of the plug. The end of the jacket is inside the plug and all wires are in the correct order. If everything is correct, crimp the plug hard enough to force the contacts through the insulation of the wires, thus completing the conducting path. Test the finished product.
Malo. Oo, wala siya.